Wellness Wednesday, brought to you by BioStrath. Get what you need naturally.
School's out and it's the perfect time for family bonding. That can mean a day at the beach, a day at the park, or any other outdoor activity. But living in a tropical country, we do have to put up with a lot of sunlight. But with it comes the need to protect ourselves, and I'm not talking about sunscreen. It's common knowledge that the sun's light can have harmful effects on the skin during long exposure. However, it can also damage eyes, even if you're not staring directly into it. That's because of the ultraviolet radiation it emits. Here in Trinidad, it's especially an issue because countries closer to the equator receive more sunlight than others. This radiation can cause several issues in the eyes with prolonged exposure. This includes a growth on the eye called a pterygium, inflammation of the cornea, promote the growth of cataracts, and lead to macular degeneration. So how do you protect them?
First of all, we need to limit the exposure to sunlight in particular, UV light. And some ways we can do this is, first of all, to spend less time in the sun. But unfortunately that's not possible, especially with the summer vacation and all of those things coming along.
With that being a challenge, he says you can try to keep to shaded areas such as under beach umbrellas or by wearing a hat. He also suggests that dark sunglasses be worn.
So polarized sunglasses, they are better protection from UV radiation. However, it is not necessary. Just a regular pair of dark glasses can go a long way in terms of protecting from UV radiation in the eyes.
While everyone should follow this advice, he says the elderly and children's eyes are the most susceptible to the harmful effects of UV radiation. Rishard Khan, CNC 3 News.
Wellness Wednesday, brought to you by BioStrath. Get what you need naturally.